In this video, I'll show you how to set up a meeting in Zoom for your FlexSync course using your Zoom personal meeting ID. First, go to minstate.zoom.us. Click Sign In and enter your star ID and password. Then, click Sign On. Once you've signed into your account, navigate to the Meeting section and click Schedule a new meeting. In the Topic section, give the meeting a name that makes sense for your students, such as Professor Brian Johnson's classroom. Next, scroll down and check the Recurring Meeting checkbox. Then choose No Fixed Time in the Recurrence drop-down menu. To use your personal meeting ID for your meeting, select the Personal Meeting ID option. Also check the Waiting Room option. Lastly, scroll down and select your preferred meeting options. We recommend checking the following options: Enable Join Before Hosts, Mute Participant upon entry, Only authenticated users can join, and Record the meeting automatically in the cloud. In the Alternative Hosts field, enter the email of anyone you want to share meeting controls with. For example, you may want to share meeting controls with the student academic support worker that is assisting with managing your classroom. Then click Save, and you're all done.